Many savvy market watchers are asking themselves whether they should buy more Bitcoin this year, as the cryptocurrency has recently traded near all-time highs. If you've profited from the recent Bitcoin bubble, there may never be a better time to transfer some of those short-term gains into long-term assets, such as physical precious metals. And U.S. Money Reserve makes it easy. Consider that the price of Bitcoin has fallen at least 25% each year since 2013, from a high point reached earlier that year. While buying Bitcoin may result in exciting highs, wild swings in the price of Bitcoin are common, making it a high-risk asset. As such, 2021 could be the year for many to protect their long-term future with wealth insurance by putting a portion of their crypto windfall into physical gold or other precious metals. Bitcoin has been on a roll, but why? Institutional buyers in search of a hedge against inflation are heightening demand. Bitcoin was designed so there's a finite supply, while central banks such as the Federal Reserve can increase the money supply by printing more. The value of the dollar versus foreign currencies has gone down, and there remain expectations for a struggling dollar in 2021. More speculators are buying Bitcoin, and it's becoming increasingly easy for them to purchase it. Some prefer a less volatile means of acquiring alternative assets to diversify their holdings. That's where gold and other precious metals can come in. Acquiring precious metals can offer many advantages, including precious metals have been around for centuries, while Bitcoin is a relatively new phenomenon. Precious metals are tangible assets, whereas Bitcoin is a digital asset. Gold and other precious metals are an established vehicle for storing wealth. Unlike gold, Bitcoin isn't viewed as a safe haven. If you have done well with your Bitcoin venture, now is the perfect time to consider protecting some of your short-term crypto profits with a more stable form of wealth insurance, such as the tried-and-true hedge of physical precious metals to diversify your portfolio with America's Gold Authority. And since U.S. Money Reserve now accepts BitPay, it has never been easier to buy precious metals with Bitcoin funds. Gold and other precious metals can also be put into a self-directed precious metals IRA, enabling you to save for retirement. U.S. Money Reserve can help you transfer your Bitcoin into U.S. dollars to contribute to an IRA that holds precious metals. Now is the time to put your Bitcoin profits to work for you. Call U.S. Money Reserve today to speak with one of our knowledgeable account executives about how you can turn your Bitcoin into gold and other precious metals to further strengthen your retirement portfolio.